Keeping your car clean and shiny without spending hours at the car wash sounds like a dream, right? That's where Turbo Shine Nexa steps in. Marketed as a 3-in-1 waterless car spray, this product claims to clean, protect, and restore your car's finish, all in one go. But does it really work as promised? Let's break down what Turbo Shine Nexa offers and take a closer look at what customers are saying. What is Turbo Shine Nexa? Turbo Shine Nexa is a spray-on car care solution that offers a waterless cleaning option. The product comes in a pack of 5 small 100 ml bottles, 2 sets total, and is priced around $15.99. It's designed for people who want fast, easy cleaning without using water or special equipment. According to the product listing, you simply spray it on and wipe away dust, dirt, bird droppings, and more. The formula also promises a diamond-like protective coating using advanced nanotechnology. Not only does it clean, but it also helps prevent surface aging, oxidation, and fading. Key features: waterless wash, no hose or buckets needed, scratch remover, helps minimize minor scuffs and marks high shine protection, leaves a glossy, long-lasting finish, multi-surface use, works on cars, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and more. Customer feedback. On Amazon, Turbo Shine Nexa has received a rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars from over 270 reviews. While some users are happy with the convenience and shine, others feel it doesn't live up to the hype. Positive reviews mention how easy it is to use and how it works well for light cleaning. On the other hand, some customers report that it doesn't remove deeper scratches or that the bottles are smaller than expected. Final verdict: Turbo Shine Nexa seems like a decent option for quick, waterless car cleaning, especially if you're looking to add shine and light protection. However, results may vary based on how dirty your vehicle is and your expectations. At its low price point, it might be worth trying, but don't expect professional-level detailing.